We did it! Winged eyeliner galore going on here, and I am kind of digging the vibe. I'm not gonna lie. So I was scrolling through Facebook the other day and I came across this little video with a bunch of life hacks on it, and this spoon one is definitely intriguing and I definitely want to try it. But the thing that caught my eye first was actually the eyeliner stuff. So there's a couple different hacks for doing your eyeliner. And you know, here's the thing, I love eyeliner, but I just don't think it's so necessary all the time, considering how much time eyeliner usually takes and how much you can actually screw it up. And I feel like I get the effect of eyeliner just using shadow, and so I just really just don't think I need eyeliner. Plus, I love to wear glitter, and I think that that is dramatic in itself and doesn't really need liner. But every once in a while, there is a look or an outfit that calls for liner, so I thought it would be fun to try one of these hacks, and we're gonna do the one that uses a little flossy thing. So let's do it and see if it actually works. So I'm just gonna use a little flosser, and then I'm gonna use the NYX Epic Ink liner that just has like a little felt tip on it. So if this is gonna go this way, I want to make sure that the liner is on the bottom part. I don't want my line to be as long as this line. I think that's probably a little too long. So I'm just not gonna go all the way up the string. Okay, I'm excited to try this. So it went this way and then this way. Well, that didn't work at all. Okay, let's check in, see if I have another eyeliner back here, because apparently that one did not transfer to the string well. Well, hello, I have this e.l.f. liner back here. Does it have any name? Black. It's just an e.l.f. liquid liner, but this one is much more liquidy. So I might fill it in with the next one, but start it with this one. So let's try this again. I mean, it's on there. Let's just see how easy it is to fill in like that. Okay, back to the NYX liner. Man, maybe this next one is just dried out. I think it's just dried out. Okay, e.l.f. to the rescue. I think that I want a little more help like right there. So let's see if that works. Because I always feel like it's when you blink, you want that line to be so straight. I think that's the hardest part. So let's see what we can do. I feel like that kind of helped. I guess it worked. I don't know if I was planning to go like so big, but this was my first try, like even trying it with this, so now I think I know kind of like how to play with angles a little bit better, but like I'm not hating it, not even a little bit. I think it's kind of fun. Okay, so I just touched it up right there to try to make it go just like a little straighter across, and man, I'm just like, I never wear eyeliner anymore, so it's like so weird to see it. So let's see if we could do the same thing on the other side, which is the hardest part of eyeliner is getting it to match up, right? Okay, here we go. Ooh, okay. That one did like a whole lot better, don't you think? I pushed a little harder, was a little more aggressive with it, you know, because it was my second time around. Let's fill it in. So let me show you my little trick when it goes out of whack. You take a Q-tip and you take makeup remover pads, and I just take the Q-tip and rub them over the makeup remover pad. This way it gets makeup remover on it, but it's not soaked in it. And then the trick is to just do one glide, rotate, rotate until you clean up the line. But you do not want to go over the same spot you went over without turning the Q-tip, because then that's when you're going to get smudges. So yeah, rotate just a little bit, rotate, rotate, rotate. And then you take the dry side and just follow behind. Rotate, just like that. And then you could go back in and fix the line so it's straight. But before it was like coming up, so that didn't look good. Then I'll take a new Q-tip. I kind of like to clean up underneath just a little bit too. Dry side. Touch up the bottom. I don't know if you really needed this little guide, but I mean, I guess it did give me a guide, but at the same time, like, I'm still having to go in and do like a whole lot. It's not as like easy as they show in the picture. But I did start off with a much bigger space and area than they did on the video. So again, like all things, ooh, kind of like what I did there. Things take practice. You have to practice. To get good at lashes, you have to practice. I put them on every single day, and so I'm very good at lashes. If you don't do it every day, you're probably not the best at it, but you can probably get them on after a time, just like I did with this eyeliner. Was using the flossing thing helpful? I think so. I mean, it definitely maybe got me to this point a little faster than it would have if I just did it all on my own, because it helped me try to keep it more even. I don't think that I would have gone this dramatic without using that tool. It kind of forced me to, because where it landed, it was like, oh, it's gonna be big eyeliner. Let's just go big, you know? Go big or go home, as they say. I think that, as I was saying, with everything takes practice. You're not gonna get it on the first go. But I do think this was a fun little trick. I'm definitely gonna try it more in the future, and you know, next time try to keep it like a little smaller, because not every night or day you can rock this big wing liner look. But I do think it's really fun, and I would say that it made it so I had evenness on each side to work with. Does it like do your winged eyeliner for you? Not necessarily, but does it give you a good guide to make it even? Yes. I think so for sure. So I for sure think you should try this if you're looking to get better at your winged liner, because hey, I think it came out really fun. So let me go throw some eyelashes on real quick. Hold on. We did it! Winged eyeliner galore going on here, and I am kind of digging the vibe. I'm not gonna lie. Super fun. I just really love trying out little life hacks to see if they work or not, and I feel like some do and some don't and some kinda do, and I feel like this one kinda does. So I'm definitely gonna be playing with it more in the future. If you've ever done this with a flosser before, or if you are gonna try it, let me know how it goes, let me know how it went. I'd love to hear in the comments below. So before you do anything, make sure to like and share so other people can like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class. I also feel like I need to do a little shout out to this e.l.f. eyeliner. Thank you for saving the day. My next one. And like I told you, I don't do my eyeliner very often, so I didn't even realize that it was dried out. Maybe it was left open a little bit. I don't know, but I'm so sad because I really do like that NYX liner. So thank you, e.l.f. Thank you for saving the day. And if you're new to my channel, I do hair, makeup, and life hack classes weekly. So if that's something that interests you, like it interests me, please do subscribe and hit that little bell, because that's what's going to notify you when I upload a new class, so you don't miss out on any of the fun. See you soon.